Alright, let's say you want to have a character selection in the FPS kit. Let's go with the easiest way to do this. So let me first show you the result. So we select one. If you don't select one here, it will use the default white one. So let's say the host is blue. Okay. And let's say the client is going to be red. And there you go. I find this to be more easy than doing it with materials. You're basically spawning in a child actor of the replicated character. So what I did is I made child classes of the replicated character, and each with his own material, and that's about it from then. You're gonna have to go to the instance, the game instance, and you will have to add this class of the replicated character, and that is all you need here. And then in the multiplayer menu, I just added two buttons. You can do pictures, whatever. But once you press it, it just selects the character in your game instance. You see, this one is character blue. This one is character red. And that was the easiest part. Now, the only complicated part about this is in the replicated character base. So, usually it would only be connected here. What we want to do is take out the event begin play and connect it to this. So, I'm gonna zoom in so you can pause and recreate this. Let me make you some more room. So basically what we're looking is the player locally controlled? So is that the active window that you're watching? Yes, it is. Okay, then do the following. Do a checkup. If the replicated character class is not equal to the current character class, if it's not the same, then continue with the spawn new character logic. If it is the same, do the default stuff, even though we will call it again. I don't know why this doesn't immediately work, but we're calling it again so you get the storing weapons. You just make a costume event, call it alt begin, and you should be ready to go there. Now, if it is not the same character class as our game instance suggests, then if it is the server, spawn the actor immediately there where you are, possess it with the controller, give it the current actor's transform, so the location is the same and whatever, it just changes your character. And then call the alt begin. And in 0.2 seconds, destroy the actor. Why 0.2 seconds? Give the server time to do this, you know? If you do it automatically, you might get a null error. So give it some time to do its job, and it's going to be fine. Now, if you're not the server, if you are the client, then call server spawn me anew. So this basically you're telling the server, hey, dude, create me again as this character. And then you spawn the actor. Let me just show you the pins here so you don't have... it's basically a class of the character replicated. And the spawn transpawn, and the target is the controller. You know, the types here. Okay. And after you told the server to spawn the character, tell the server to make you possess it. And then call again the alt begin. And also the server has to this little delay before destroying it, so it can do everything. And then it just returns back to here, you know. Everything remains the same. All the logic you had in your replicated character just continues. Now I find this to be the easiest way, the fastest way too. So hope it helps you. See ya.